Hello my friends, welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today I've got a fantastic fun drink to share with y'all, and I've seen this all over the internet. People have been making it all summer, and this drink is created by one of my favorite chefs, Jocelyn Delk of Grandbaby Cakes. Are y'all a fan of peach cobbler? How does peach cobbler lemonade sound? Oh yes, sugar. So today I'm going to share with y'all peach cobbler lemonade. My friends, it is so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this. Perfect to serve at your barbecue cookouts, fish fries, picnics. It is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. I also post a link to Grandbaby Cake's Peach Cobbler Lemonade recipe down in the description box below. Also, my previous video, Blueberry Sweet Iced Tea. So grab your pitcher, get your lemons juice, and get those peaches simmering, sugar, because we're about to make some peach cobbler lemonade magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our peaches for our peach cobbler syrup. On my cutting board, I have 3 big, beautiful, large yellow peaches. Aren't they pretty? Love peach season. And we're going to dice them up with the skin on. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get through dicing the rest of my peaches, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through dicing my peaches, and off camera I place them into my bowl, and 3 peaches makes 3 cups of diced peaches. So now we are ready to cook them. Let's head over to the stove. On my stove top, my fire is on high heat. I have my medium saucepan, or you can use a large pot. We're going to add in our diced peaches. Into our diced peaches, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of kosher salt, and this is my twist. I added in a pinch of ground allspice. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of water and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. And Jocelyn added in her vanilla extract in, but I'm going to add mine last after I get through cooking. We're also going to add in a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg. Going to give these a quick stir until they're well incorporated. All we do is bring it to a gentle boil. Alright my friends, our peaches has came to a gentle boil, so now we are going to let it cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the peaches soften. And while the peaches are doing their thing, let's juice up our lemons. In the original, she used 3/4 of a cup, but I'm going to do 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. So we're going to squeeze it and roll it, so that way we'll get a juicier lemon. Cut it in half and place 1/2 into our lemon squeezer and juice it into our measuring cup. So I'm going to get that going, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through juicing up my lemons, and we have exactly 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Now we're going to set this aside. Let's check on our peaches. My friends, it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of peaches cooking. They're nice and soft. See? That looks great. So now I'm going to cut my fire down to low and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what the peaches look like after 5 minutes. It is slightly thickened and syrupy. That's exactly what we want. So now I'm going to cut my fire off. Time to add in our last ingredient. 2 teaspoons, which is 2 cupfuls of pure vanilla extract. Stir it in until it's well incorporated. So now we are going to cool it slightly. And as soon as that happens, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our peaches has cooled slightly. So now we are going to pour it into our blender. Cover it and blend until smooth. Let it rip. Alright my friends, our peach cobbler mixture is nice and smooth. Perfect. I can smell all the spices and the vanilla. So now we are ready to assemble our lemonade. I have my pitcher right here, and we're going to use my mess strainer. Going to strain the peach cobbler filling to get rid of the excess pulp. Stir it around. Alright, my friends, I am through straining my peach cobbler filling. Now it is time to add in the last few ingredients. Into the peach cobbler filling, we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar, our fresh lemon juice, again, that's 1 cup. And this is my other twist, going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure lemon extract, which is a half of a cap full. And last but certainly not least, 4 cups of cold water. And stir all together until they're well combined. And now I'm going to add in some fresh lemon slices and peach slices. Stir it a little bit more. And that's it, my friends. Our peach cobbler lemonade is ready to serve. So I'm about to pour it into my mason jars. I have my mason jars here. I fill them up with ice. Going to pour in the lemonade. And if you want, you can just place the lemonade in the refrigerator and let it cool instead of adding ice. To garnish, we're going to add in a peach slice, a lemon slice, fresh mint leaves, and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty and festive? And there you have it, my friends. The viral peach cobbler lemonade my way. Doesn't that look good and fresh? Oh, I'm very excited to give this a taste. You ready? Here we go. Look at that. Cheers. Wow. This is incredible. Tastes just like peach cobbler. I can taste the spices, refreshing, crisp, fresh peach flavor. Oh, I'm in heaven. Please give this a try, my friends. This will be the talk of the town. Thank you, Jocelyn, for creating this marvelous peach cobbler lemonade. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Peach cobbler lemonade-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. And on the words of Jocelyn of Grandbaby Cakes, stay sweet, grandbabies.